Alright, here we go. I got another video about tying knots. This is how I tie my jigs on my line. Pass it through like that. And double it up. Pinch it right here. Wrap it around these two fingers. And then take the hook and the jig. Pass it through there. Come back around, and here's a little trick I do. You take the eye of the jig and catch it right here, and then pull your knot down until you get about right there, and then release it. And what that does, that keeps that loop small, so when you're casting it, your hook doesn't come around and go through it right here. And then just clip your tag in here. And the reason you hook a jig like this is because you want it to swim in the water like this. And what that does is, because sac-a-lait or crappie, whatever you want to call them, their eyes are on top of their heads, and they kind of fish up come up from the bottom. And if you tied it tight to the eye, it'll sit like this in the water, and it doesn't look natural to them. But when you have that loop on there, it'll kind of swim like this in the water. I hope that helps you out. Thanks for watching.